everyday situation for caravan owners. Parking in a driveway. Basically no big deal. A closer look, however, shows that it could prove more difficult than it first appeared. The driveway slopes to one side and has a fairly steep gradient. There's a pavement in front of it and shrubs on both sides. It's a tricky job even with someone giving directions. But there's an easier way, and you don't even need a vehicle or anyone to guide you. Move Control is a system for guiding a caravan or trailer in any desired direction. The two electric drive units, in conjunction with the radio remote control, give you complete freedom of movement. Forwards, backwards, a right or left-hand turn, all from a position where you have a clear overview of the situation. The two powerful drive units can tackle gradients of up to 25%. After the successful introduction of Move Control for single-axle caravans, the Reich company has now developed a system designed to optimally maneuver caravans or trailers with dual axles. Move Control Twin is equipped with permanent four-wheel drive. Its advantages: it's able to negotiate gradients of more than 15% and turn in the tightest of spaces, and you always have full control of your caravan. Simultaneous drive on all four wheels of the vehicle ensures maximum performance and more safety. Here, to the right and left, between a fence and a drywall embankment, the space is extremely restricted and the ground is also sloping. In order to park here, it'd be virtually impossible for a car driver to see what he's doing. All it takes is a couple of slight turns to the right and left, and the caravan is parked exactly where it should be. With the Reich Move Control Twin, you can maneuver even on rough ground, a loose, uneven surface and a steep incline. No problem for the four individually operated drive units. Single-axle caravan makes manoeuvring much easier and safer, on this campsite for instance. A movement forwards, a turn to the right, and now Move Control shows just what it's capable of, turning through 360 degrees on the spot until it's reached the ideal position. An 8-metre-long caravan in a 10-metre diameter circle. Move Control Twin allows you to turn even a dual-axle vehicle in the tightest of spaces. Automatic interval buttons on the radio remote control briefly move the caravan forwards and backwards, left and right, and virtually turn it around on the spot. A practical test. A 90-degree turn into a driveway, over a pavement, and then a short, steep incline. Using short forwards and backwards and left and right movements, the caravan is turned into the driveway. The gap on both sides is only a few centimetres. One more touch of the interval automatic and the vehicle is parked in its final position. Pushing out the drive rollers is child's play, using a crank or battery-operated screwdriver just on one side, and it's a standard feature. Optionally, a version with automatic motor drive is also available. In addition, covers are fitted as standard on all manoeuvring systems to protect the drive units from dirt and damage. Move Control manoeuvring systems have the widest drive rollers with a unique patented surface structure and ensure optimum traction, even under the most adverse conditions. The fact that they're made of aluminium helps to save weight. In order to reduce stress on the chassis, Reich has integrated a soft start and soft stop device, which is operated via Move Control's electronic system. This moves the caravan slowly and smoothly and absolutely precisely. Attaching a trailer has never been easier. No more hassle with reversing and no more rear-end damage either. Let's just briefly summarise all the advantages. Slow, safe cornering with a tight radius, even on inclines. Soft start and soft stop for minimum stress on the chassis. No problem even with different surface heights. Thanks to permanent four-wheel drive, powerful and safe manoeuvring on practically all surfaces. Motors and gears are located in the middle of the chassis, optimally protected from water, dirt and damage. The drive units come with all the necessary mounting components, plus a seal of approval from the inspection authority responsible for vehicle roadworthiness in Germany. The unit is fully galvanized with an additional powder coating and thus optimally protected against corrosion. Assembly couldn't be easier. No drilling, no welding. The unit is simply attached to the frame with assembly plates. There's no adverse effect on the shock absorbers, and should you change your caravan, the whole system can simply be dismantled and refitted. In addition, we offer a 3-year works guarantee, so it really is an investment for the future.